Hello! In this video I'll be showing you how to calculate the mean absolute deviation, otherwise known as MAD. And here's the formula for it, and so if you're not used to all those symbols, what that's saying is it's the summation of each difference of every number from the average of those numbers with an absolute value applied to each of those differences divided by how many numbers we have. And the sample numbers we have are these four, 2, 5, 9, and 12. Now you may notice that I use the same numbers in other videos, such as standard deviation and variance. And the reason why that is because I'm trying to emphasize the methodology over the different numbers I use or how many numbers I use, because that can confuse people. I've tutored a lot of kids, I've tutored a lot of adults, and I'm trying to make sure that you understand it with the least amount of complications in these videos. I'm going to walk through how to do it in 3 steps. Let's get into step 1. Step 1, calculate the average. So we have the summation of all the numbers divided by how many numbers we have. 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 12 divided by 4 to give us 28 over 4, or 7. The next is to take each number and subtract it by 7, and then apply an absolute value for that difference. And then add them all together. So it sounds like a lot, but it's really simple, and I'll show you. 2 minus 7, absolute value, plus 5 minus 7, absolute value, plus 9 minus 7, absolute value, plus 12 minus 7, absolute value, which gives us the absolute value of -5, plus the absolute value of -2, plus the absolute value of 2, plus the absolute value of 5. This gives us 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5, because the only thing the absolute value really does here is it drops off the negative. And so it just gives you the total distance. When you add those together, you get 14. And the final step here is to divide 14 by how many numbers we have, which is 4, which gives us 3.5. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section. If you like this and you want to see more videos on how to calculate different formulas, please like and subscribe, hit that bell. Thank you for watching, and stay nerdy, my friends.